It's a 2X18 V3s. They're on a Sundown Sold 8. It's fired up 0.4.
Okay.
Port's tuned to 46 hertz. I got the 8 6.5s in the front doors, two BTR1 Sundown Tweeters. Each door's on a SFB 600.1.
Okay.
And the tweeters are on a separate amp.
Okay.
Nice. That's about it.
That's good. Nice. 6.5? Yes. Okay.
People like to kick them, but that's to be expected.
And what's your alternator power, you said?
It's a 300X XL by Brand X.
Okay.
I charge it 15.8. I only got 96 amp hour bananas.
Yep. Okay.
It does good.
And your seats can go up. And does it not block the port the way you built it? Nice work. Okay.
Actually, I cut the headrest off.
Okay.
But it can seat 5.
Yep. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. How you doing, man? What's your name?
Thomas Strickland.
Thomas. Jacob. Okay. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
I like this. Did you build this?
I did.
Nice work. What's your port area, do you know? I know that's a question that's very specific.
I think it's like 214, I believe.
Okay.
It's 46 hertz.
Nice. Did a good job. I like it, man. And it's musical.
Appreciate it.
Do you know your ratio?
I think it's like 1.75 to 1, roughly.
Okay. Any SPL tests on it?
Officially, it's right at a 55. Unofficially, because I can't up as high in the lanes because I'm cut off at 53 for my class.
Okay.
160.7.
Nice.
I mean, 156.7.
56.7.
56.7.
Okay. Okay. I was about to say 60. That's high. Yeah.
60 was when it pushed all the way to the front.
Got it. Yeah. Is there a way I can see the amp and battery bank?
Yes.
Awesome.
Sorry, I'm tired.
It's all right, man.
I didn't get in. I drove it from Birmingham.
Okay.
So early this morning.
Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. Did this slide in?
It is a slide in.
Slide in, okay. And this is at 1.4? Okay. Can I see the alternator? That's a good idea for the fan if you turn that on, yeah.
It helps a lot, especially in this heat.
Oh yeah. And what year is this?
It's a 02.
02. Okay. 02. Awesome.
It's a dual charging system. That's on stock haul
Okay.
to run the actual vehicle.
Yeah. But they're still connected? Do you have an isolation system between them? Or?
This only goes to the rear lithium only.
Okay, so that's the 15 volt. Okay, got it. Oh, all right. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Thomas's system he had at the Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show this year, 2023. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I definitely like the beauty panel look and to be able to actually see behind the plexiglass those beautiful inverted motors of these Sundown X Series 18-inch subs rated at around 2,000 watts RMS. So he's definitely putting all the juice with that 8K amplifier wire down on this system. And you're going to see a good 4-minute demo. Got some good outside flex as well, my wife got. Impressive to see actually how much efficiency you can use a 5-seater system and still get a good all-around daily driver system. and using 218s instead of 215s for cone area, a little bit more pressure. And also notice the way he has the port on the top of the box, so that actually helps with airflow, and you don't have to really worry about the seats getting in the way. And he said he actually removed or cut off his headrest seats, so when he puts the seats up, you don't really have to worry about blocking airflow. So really good job. Shout out to you. Thomas did a good job building this system, and I'm sure he has really good bandwidth. During the demo, I could tell it was probably doing around a 54 dB on music, burping over a 55, 56. So shout out to you, man. We're about to get to the demo, everybody. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos every day on JacobViral, and enjoy.
Girls are trap. They young and they tryna finesse me. They see one more and they know I'm rap. My horse is push. Telling me young, I jump on a horse. She get on the back. Run to the party, go buy a drink. She listen to Pink. She told me she not a rap. I gave her a lot of money. The trenches love me. Girls are trap. They young and they tryna finesse me. They see one mug and they know that I'm rap. My horse is push. Telling me young, I jump on a horse. She get on the back. Run to the party, go buy a drink. She listen to Pink. She told me she not a rap. I gave her a lot of money. The trenches love me forever.